This episode of Science Squad is called Soda Volcanoes.
When lava is under the earth, it gets super hot. And when it gets too hot, it explodes, making a volcano.
Whoa, that's so cool. I wish we could make our own.
We can, with a little Coke and Mentos.
Now let's find out what happens when you mix the Coke and Mentos.
Wait, looks like we're getting a message.
It's our ingredient list. It says Coke and Mentos.
Now we can do it.
Let's go! 3, 2, 1!
Wow, that was so cool. It exploded just like a real volcano.
Thanks for joining us and hope to see you soon!